Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can transfer an app from the internal storage to the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A50. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, let us go to the settings. Scroll down, go here to the settings symbol, and then we go to the point apps. And then we just looking for the app we want to transfer. Maybe we want to transfer your Catch the Rope Magic. Tap it, and now we have here the point storage. So if you tap on that, so then we have here the point storage used. So it is internal storage right now, and here we can go on change to may change the location to the SD card. Then we will explain you that it's not the complete data which one is moved from the internal storage to the SD card, so it's just a few data. And then you have to leave your SD card in that phone if you want to use that app again. So then go on move to complete the movement, and then it will take a bit time. So now it's now we have moved it. So then let's check it here at the storage again, and our storage now is the external storage. Okay, then if you want to transfer it back the same way, just go on the app you want to transfer, go then here in storage. And now the storage used of our app is the external storage. If you want to change it, go and change, and then we just take back the internal storage if you want to have it back. And yeah, then just go and move, and now it will be much faster than before. And it depends also on your SD card how fast this process is. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.